Hi everyone, how are we this week? So we're going to be creating some 3D snowflakes. How exciting! Let's jump in. Let's start with the materials you're going to need this week. So I have a pencil, glue stick, some scissors, and then you're going to need 6 pieces of paper. However, I have given you 7 just in case something rips or you've made a mistake. You have that little extra security blanket. So let's start by making the first part of this snowflake. So you're going to take your paper and you're going to want to fold it in half. So you're going to basically to make a triangle. So once you've done that, you're going to then fold it again to make a smaller triangle. Once you have your paper in this shape, this is when we're going to start the cutting. So you're going to take your triangle, you're going to be cutting it this way. So what I like to do, since you're going to have to make 3 cuts, I like to make one towards the bottom. And notice how I'm stopping before we hit the end, right? Just want it like that. And then I'm going to make another one right here. We want them to be somewhat even, or as even as we can get them to be. See, so your little triangle should look like this. So now that you have your cuts, you're going to now carefully unfold the paper. And your paper should look like this. And you're going to want the plain side to be facing up. And so now it's time to start gluing. For the smallest piece, I like to take a pencil. It just makes things so much easier. And what you're going to do is you're going to put some glue just right at the tip. You're going to take your pencil and you're going to use it to help you curve the paper. And what we're trying to do is just glue them together. So I'm using the pencil to kind of help me press. And you'll have your first part. And so it should look like this. And then you're going to take your paper, flip it the other way, and again, we're going to be gluing these pieces together. And then again, you're going to take it, flip it over, and we're going to take the last 2 pieces and glue them together. And now we have the first part of our snowflake. So we're going to be doing this 5 more times. Right, so now it's time for you to take all 6 of your pieces and we're going to start assembling our snowflake. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with 2. I personally like them to kind of go in the same pattern. So for example, on one side, you'll see it's plain, like just the blue, and then we'll see the pattern. And so I like to keep my snowflake kind of following that, but you don't have to at all. So to do this, you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to go right in the middle of one of the sides and you're just going to put some glue down. And you're going to take the middle of the snowflake you're trying to attach and you're just going to press them together. Make sure you press them nice and firmly. So that's the first attachment, and then we're going to be gluing them down here at the bottom as well. So again, Put glue on one side. And then you're just going to press them together. And now we have first part of our snowflake. All right, let's keep going. So now that you have all 6 of your pieces attached, let's finish out the snowflake. So what we're going to do is just like before, we're going to take one of the edges, put glue, and you're going to pull the other side and press. And remember, as you glue, you want to make sure you're pressing nice and firm so it'll stay. And if you find that any of your arms have like fallen off like that, just put more glue. It's okay. So I'm gonna quite a bit more. I'm gonna try it again. And there you have it, your 3D snowflake. Something you could do if you wanted to hang it up is to just get a piece of super thin string. So it could be something like this. Cut a piece, and then you're gonna loop it through one of the spots. So kind of like this. And then you'll have a really fun, super cute hanging snowflake. I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday, and I'll see you guys in the new year. Bye.